Welcome to Mahim tutorial. Today we are going to learn the basics of the trigonometry. I am Mahim mathematics teacher. So we will see the introduction and the ratios of the trigonometry, which will help us to learn the whole chapter. So look at the board, whatever the ratios are there, and try to remember it. So trigonometry. Trigonometry means, as you know, trigonometry. So tri means three, gono means corners, and metry means measurement. So here, as the three corners figure is there, that is the triangle. But here it is a special triangle in this chapter, that is a right angle triangle. So in this chapter wholly we will talk about the right angle triangle. Here, as we will give the names A, B, C. So you can see here 90 degree at B, that means right angle triangle at B, and we will take A as a theta, that means theta means acute angle. So in the previous classes we learned that area of the triangle is equal to base into height, but here we are giving the names of this side differently to know the ratios. What is the ratio between the sides of this triangle? So here, like this is the angle A, and this side is the attached to the angle A, that means adjacent to the angle A. So we will call this is the adjacent side of angle A or theta, and this is the opposite side of angle A. That's why we call opposite of angle A or theta. And you know that the longest side of a right angle triangle is hypotenuse. The longest side of a right angle triangle is a hypotenuse. So here we have to remember these sides like adjacent, opposite and hypotenuse, but we should not be confused if we will get the angle here. For example, this is A, B, C. So if the angle is given here, that means theta is given here. So here it is the adjacent side of this theta. So it will become adjacent and it will become opposite. Why? Because this is the opposite side of this given theta. And as usual, this is the hypotenuse. Okay. So we are going by this triangle. So there are 6 ratios which we have to remember. In the 6th ratio, the first one is sine theta. Sine theta, actually the full name is sinus theta, but in the short form we will say sine theta. Sine theta, the ratio of the sine theta is ratio between the sides of this triangle, right angle triangle. It is opposite by hypotenuse. And the next one is cos theta. Opposite by hypotenuse means opposite side by hypotenuse. If it is like 5 and it is 7, so 5 by 7. That is the ratio, right? Ratio generally we can write in the fraction form. So this is the ratio between the sides. The next is cos theta. Cos theta means actually it is cosine theta. Cosine theta, in the short form we will say cos theta, and cos theta is equal to, it is adjacent by hypotenuse. Then the next is tan theta. Tan is tangent theta. So the short form is tan theta. So here is tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. That means opposite side of a angle, opposite side of a angle by adjacent side of a angle, opposite by adjacent. If you remember these three, like sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So other three easily you can remember. What is other three? The next one is cosec theta. Next one is cosec theta. Actually the full form is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta, in the short we will say cosec theta. Cosec theta is the opposite of the sin theta. So as sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, so cosec theta will be hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. So as I said, it is opposite of sin theta. So we can write 1 by sin theta. And this is, we can write 1 by cosec theta. Right? The next is sec theta. Sec theta, actually it is secant theta, but in the short form we will say sec theta, and it is the opposite of cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, so this will be hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent. So as I said, it is the opposite of cos theta, so I am writing opposite of cos theta, and it is opposite of sec theta. Cos theta is opposite of sec theta. The last one is cot theta. C-O-T, cot theta. It is actually cottage theta, but in the short we will write cot theta. Cot theta is opposite of tan theta. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent, so this will be adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. And as I said, it is opposite of tan theta, so I am writing opposite of tan theta, and this is equal to 1 by cot theta. Now some more is there. Some more, what is that? This is the tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. If we divide the sin ratio by the cos ratio, so we will get the value of the tan theta. And here this is cot is cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta. So here these values we have to remember. These values is by this triangle. It is opposite means opposite of the angle A, and it is hypotenuse means hypotenuse of this triangle, and it is adjacent means adjacent of the angle A or theta. You can take A instead of theta also, right? So these 6 ratios are there. If you remember these 6 ratios, easily you can do this chapter. You have to remember this is separately these ratios, then you have to remember what is the opposite of what, and this is also. Okay, so in the next class we will learn the exercise number 1. So thank you for watching.